Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This magnetic Maharashtra meet, this magnetic Maharashtra meet organized by the Industrial Department and our international family across the world is a personification of the spirit of the human race. Even as we face the challenge of Corona, we know one thing clearly that we must not give up or give in. I have watched many of your home countries give a tough fight to COVID. Let me extend my deepest sympathies and a sense of unity and strength to all countries around the world fighting COVID in their own measure. This battle has been raging on for 6 months, and let me tell you, we are truly together in this as one human race. We stand together. We have seen challenges, wars, epidemics, and financial crises, but our world has always emerged stronger than before. This is our chance to do so again. Our MOUs today don't only signify a regular understanding between the industry and the state. It is no longer simply an investment of capital. This is an investment of faith, and it signifies a moment that reminds me of Neil Armstrong's famous lines on his moon landing. A small step for man, a huge leap for mankind. Similarly, this exchange of the MOU is a small sign on paper, but symbolizes our intent as mankind to begin again. Maharashtra is traditionally a land of progress, innovation, positive disruption, saints and warriors alike. We are truly blessed with not only tradition but also rich geography and warm, hardworking citizens. And more so, we are blessed with friends like you who invest faith in us. Today, I am indeed pleased to announce that we have signed over 16,000 crores worth of MOUs, and I want to offer my gratitude to our key investor who will invest another 8,000 crores in the coming months. From our end, we will ensure every form of assistance from the state for setting up your facilities without any hurdles. Today, as we proudly partner with the World Association of Investment Promotion Agencies and US-India Partnership Forum, I can safely say this partnership will take all of us a long way ahead. Sustainable development, jobs for local youth, skill development, and prosperity of the state and industries is what we must achieve. As a state, we have always met and often surpassed the need of the industries, and we will always do so. When history reads chapters on the efforts to begin again by humanity, this moment will be remembered by all. I thank Minister Subhash Desai, Aditi Tatkare, CS Chief Secretary Rajay Mehta ji, Principal Secretaries Venugopal Reddy ji, Bhushan Gagrani ji, MIDC CEO Anbalgam ji, and our team from the industry department for their efforts that have helped us in winning your confidence. Let us lead the way together for a stronger, safer, better world for all. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.